You have the sequence mapped out in your head, but the moment you try to merge your clips, your momentum hits a wall. Traditional web-based editors require you to push gigabytes of raw, high-resolution footage through your internet connection to reach a remote processing server thousands of miles away. After the slow upload finishes, the final export drops your resolution, stamps a watermark over your footage, or locks work behind a paywall. This remote architecture turns a simple creative task into a waiting game that stalls your production and drains your time. Beyond the lost time, uploading unreleased media creates a specific threat: the loss of data sovereignty. This diagram shows the mechanics of that vulnerability. By sending your raw files across the open web to a third-party server, you are trusting an invisible entity not to leak, store, or scan your private content. For those editing internal corporate presentations, unreleased product launches, or personal family moments, handing over source files creates a massive security blind spot. Relying on cloud editing creates an unacceptable security liability before you even make your first cut. Prime Toolhub's video editor bypasses this bottleneck by removing the server from the equation entirely. By utilizing WebAssembly, the industry-standard FFmpeg multimedia framework loads directly into the defined boundaries of your browser's local memory. As shown here, the connection to the external server is severed completely. Your computer's local RAM handles the entire editing process offline. Because your files never leave your hard drive, data leaks are physically impossible. You retain absolute control over your media. By leveraging local memory, a standard web browser functions as a secure, high-performance rendering engine. This local architecture means you can drag in MP4, WebM, and MOV files and start sequencing them immediately with zero upload delay. Once your clips are on the storyboard, the offline trimmer lets you cut out mistakes using millisecond accurate timecodes. You can natively reverse your video, speed up a tutorial by up to 3 times, or instantly correct smartphone footage filmed at the wrong angle. This diagram shows how the engine handles mismatched footage. If you mix a 4K mobile clip with a 1080p screen recording, the editor automatically standardizes them into a unified 720p high-definition output at 30 frames per second. Before you render, the integrated clip inspector allows you to boost quiet segments or lower loud ones to ensure balanced volume. You maintain surgical control over every element of your sequence, entirely contained within your own local hardware. When the render is complete, you simply download a highly compatible MP4 file without ever needing to install heavy, cumbersome desktop software. Beyond the technical efficiency, Prime Toolhub removes administrative friction. There are no accounts to create, no subscriptions to manage, and 0 registration prompts. You bring your raw files, arrange your timeline, and render the result. The process is completely frictionless. Stripping away both the long upload times and the mandatory account setups puts the focus back on the content itself. Waiting on remote servers and risking your proprietary data drains your production momentum. Local browser editing offers immediate results and absolute security. Stop trusting external platforms with your raw, unreleased footage and take back absolute control of your workflow today. Go to primetoolhub.com to launch your first secure 100% offline video project.